Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are ready. Update Spotify and your phone OS so options match. Once done, open Settings and go to Notifications or Apps, depending on your device. You want to find Spotify in the Installed Apps list. Tap it to view permissions and notification controls. This is where the lock screen behavior is controlled, so don't skip confirming you're editing the correct app. Make sure you can see notification categories or permissions before moving to the next step. Now you'll change the lock screen notification settings directly for Spotify. Tap Notifications, then Notification Categories or Lock Screen Options. Many phones label media or playback controls separately. Change Show on Lock Screen to off or choose Hide Content so artwork and controls won't display. If there's a specific media control toggle, switch that off too. You do this because media notifications are separate from general alerts. Disabling them prevents Spotify's controls from ever appearing while your screen is locked. Finish by testing. Lock your device and play a track to confirm the controls no longer show. If Spotify still appears, double-check global media controls or lock screen widgets in system settings. Some phones override app-level settings. Make sure you've disabled any third-party lock screen widgets that surface media. If problems persist, restart the phone, and as a last resort reinstall Spotify so new settings apply. One quick troubleshooting tip. Toggling the setting off and back on then restarting often forces the change to stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.